you, baby. Do not put that, I'll kill you. At the moment, front and back. And we're gonna do an exhaust, I think, on this car. I don't want to say anything wrong because Vic will probably kill me if I say anything wrong. So I'm not sure what else we're doing, but we're doing a lot of stuff on this. I'm gonna have one of these one day. I don't know when, but one day. What do you think, Javier? Maybe one day we'll have one of these?
Sure. Yeah, why not?
They don't have special on McLarens. I think, yeah, they don't have special on McLarens. You just have to be rich to have one. I think that's the secret.
Alright guys, we are updating you on this McLaren 720S Spider project. This thing is gonna look really, really sick when we're done. Right now we have the 1016 Industries carbon fiber hood on there. We're gonna be painting a portion of it. Basically the outside texture, we're gonna be painting it this white color. Headlight bezels, the customer wants them painted white. So these are gonna be white as well. And then you see the Novitec front spoiler in carbon fiber installed right there. Looks amazing. It's getting the rest of the carbon fiber from Novitec on there as well. A lot of parts in the back, the side skirts look amazing. We're gonna do a custom set of really, really nice wheels on it as well. I'm not gonna let you know what it is. We're gonna show you at the end what they are. Completely different theme. It's gonna be really, really clean. I'm super excited because this is a Spider and it's white. So you don't see too many of those with the 720s. It's gonna be an awesome, awesome color theme and spec. So stay tuned.
This is called a pen protection.
Okay, Javi, did you get it?
Why did you take
put this back?
Yes, it protects us from getting pens at us. It's really good. It is a shield. I think it's good if we leave it so we protect ourselves.
No, you're being a wussy because you're scared they're gonna hit you with the pen.
Take his off right now. Take his off right now, and then throw everything at his face.
Bro, you're a wussy. I'm not a wussy like you.
Okay. That's number one.
It worked.
You see, the shield is very important. That kept the shield kept us safe.
Yeah, it's a protection, so I'll respect that.
The monitor, this monitor has saved his life so many times.
We don't see this too often. The Honda Accord that's broken down, you don't see this too much. Talking about the car. Whatever you just did has nothing to do with the problem.
I could push it by myself.
You can't.
I could.
Impossible.
I could.
You can't. You're gonna break yourself.
Ready? Let go of the brake.
Do it. You're not.
Go around. Go around. Go around. Moses.
What's up? You guys almost hit the Accord. It's okay.
They knew you?
Yeah.
You're filming. So bad.
Oh my God. We're dead. We're completely dead. Okay, you guys. We have a Honda Accord. These cars are really reliable, so you don't see this much often. These things are really reliable and it's not working, so I think we have a fuel pump problem. And everybody forgot to push the car. We got to push the car inside to diagnose it. So I think we have a fuel pump problem. And we have a lot of fans behind me right now, and we're pushing the car. And then, yeah, we almost got in an accident pushing the car.
Of course Sarkis is sitting down.
Thank you for coming.
That's all Sarkis is sitting down. Of course Sarkis is sitting down.
How are you, Hamza?
Whoa, look at that. You got
What's up, man? What's up?
What's
That's
up,
nice.
man? How are you? Oh, you're dead.
He has a US killer though. He actually does have a US killer.
Sarkis?
Yeah, no, that's definitely a US
Yeah,
killer.
BMW is better than Lamborghini for sure.
For sure, 100%. Hey, I'm finna cop some merch.
It's not a Lambo, it's an expensive Volkswagen.
Yeah, it's an expensive Volkswagen.
It is.
Yeah, it's an expensive Volkswagen. If you're in the Germany, you would know how to pronounce it. We're not in Germany, we're in America.
This is Mono.
Yeah. Or
That's Mono.
if you want one, I can just give you one. Damn, metal card, huh?
Sure.
No, there's no number on it.
Damn, that's crazy. You guys gotta come shop. We got a lot of good stuff here. Come by.
He was so excited that he forgot his stuff. There you go, man. You're welcome. Have a good day, bro.
Have a nice day.
Okay, poor guy.
Oh.
You got me. Hey,
For sure that hurt.
take care with this.
take care with this.
What is that? Cut your hair.
Das ist greña, ons.
We'll give you $100 if you shave your head off. Hair off.
Oh. For $100? Hell no, Papa.
How much will it cost to shave your head?
Huh?
How much will it cost to shave your head?
Nothing.
No, seriously.
No.
What about your thing?
No, that's another one. No.
Nothing?
All right, guys, we have a special guest star, BetwithAJ, one of my buddies from Vegas. Check him out. That's his IG. He has a few badass cars we're gonna be building. This one is one of them right here. This Mclaren 720S right here. Very clean spec. Has HREs in this really, really cool colorway. I don't know what to call it, like a rose champagne color, brushed. Looks really cool. It's slammed, of course. It's got the 1016 Industries hood, and now it features this awesome color that you guys saw us do previously on this beautiful Ferrari 488. Coincidentally, we had that car also at our shop at the same time, so we were able to film these two baddies together, 488 and a 720, big competitors. They both look amazing in this color. Let us know which one you guys think looks better. But yeah, the 720 came out really, really good, especially that it's lowered on wheels, of course. You gotta lower these 720s or else they look a little bit off. Also, the brake calipers are red. We're gonna color match that to this beautiful color that you guys have seen us do a few times already. It's a really, really nice color, very refreshing. It's like a minty blue, I would call it, or something. So really, really dope. This car had a few little things on the back we had to fix too, so it came all the way from Vegas, fixed it up, looks amazing. It's ready to go back to Vegas, and we're ready to work on AJ's next car, which is a twin turbo Huracan. So you'll see that happening in the near future. But yeah, let us know which car you like better, the Ferrari 488 or the 720 in this color.
This guy, he's dished us. Mano doesn't know how to drive, and look at the smile. He's having fun. This guy has a Ferrari. This guy's a McLaren, and they tell me I don't know how to drive, and I'm still keeping up with them with this broke ass van. And look at this guy. He's smiling too.
What's this guy saying? There's traffic. It's LA. You don't know? Oh well, you drive illegally.
Doing selfies on Insta. So like, I got a Ferrari.
We're trying to put this, we're trying to adjust the door, you guys. We did door jams on this car. So this Mercedes is a nice fade, you guys will see later. We did door jams on it, so we're trying to put the door back now, and we're adjusting it, so yeah. And the door's very heavy, and my leg's about to break.
Oh, look at this.
There's nothing to this suspension.
Oh my God. What I do to you, bro?
Oh, you're dead.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up, T?
What's up, T? Who's T?
Yeah, of course.
Oh shit, sorry. My bad.
Oh my God.
Sorry,
Now
sorry.
your nose is more.
Sorry. My bad.
Now your nose is more twist.
Is it bad?
They're inside.
Oh, nice duck, bro.
Why would you push me?
Because
That's
you want to hit my boss.
Oh my God.
He's stuck.